Hey, future accountant. Welcome back to Baobab Brain, your study buddy for Matric success. Today, we're doing a full breakdown of Accounting Paper 1 using real questions from the May-June 2021 paper and the official DBE exam guidelines. By the end of this lesson, you'll know exactly what to expect, how to calculate every key indicator, and how to earn those easy marks. So grab your calculator and your study notes. Let's unlock that accounting distinction together. Paper 1 tests your financial reporting and evaluation for companies. It's a 2-hour paper worth 150 marks. You must answer all 4 questions. Here's the breakdown. Question 1. Transaction analysis and audit report. 20 marks. Question 2. Income statement and retained income. 50 marks. Question 3. Financial indicators and cash flow. 35 marks. Question 4. Interpretation and corporate governance. 45 marks. The secret? Manage your time. About 1 minute per mark. Let's warm up with transaction analysis. These are short, easy marks, but only if you know how to apply the accounting equation. Assets equals owner's equity plus liabilities. Rule number 1, debit the receiver, credit the giver. Example, bought stationery on credit, R 3,200. Debit, stationery, credit, creditors control. Effect, assets 0, owner's equity decreases, liabilities increase. Show all workings neatly. Even one sign mistake can cost you a mark. Now, let's talk about the audit report. Part 2 of question 1. Auditors check if financial statements are fair and accurate. In Rockstone Ltd's 2021 case, the company got an unqualified report, meaning no major errors or misstatements. Auditors referred to pages 8 to 23, where the financial statements are found, IFRS and the Companies Act. For compliance, common evidence includes invoices, bank statements, and stock records. Remember, an unqualified report equals clean report. Question 2 is the biggest, 50 marks, and focuses on the statement of comprehensive income and the retained income note. The layout never changes. Let's go line by line. Sales less, cost of sales, gives you gross profit. Add other income, subtract operating expenses, add or subtract interest and tax. Result, net profit after tax. Every adjustment in the question affects one of these sections. Adjustments are where marks hide. Check for depreciation on vehicles and equipment, accrued income or unpaid expenses, provision for bad debts, interest on loans, dividends declared before year end. Then complete your retained income note using this formula. Question 3 tests your ratios and your understanding of cash movement. Here are key financial indicators you must know by heart. Debt-equity ratio, non-current liabilities divided by shareholders' equity, return on shareholders' equity, net profit after tax divided by average equity times 100, net asset value per share, shareholders' equity divided by number of shares, dividend payout rate, dividends divided by net profit times 100. Always comment on whether performance improved or declined and why. The cash flow statement shows where money went. Inflows equals money coming in. Outflows equals money going out. Example inflows, issuing shares, selling assets. Example outflows, repurchasing shares, paying dividends or tax. The trick? Compare this year's and last year's balances to find changes. That's your movement in cash. Question 4 combines everything: analysis, interpretation, and ethics. Use your ratios to explain the company's story. Profitability. Is the company earning enough? Liquidity. Can it pay short-term debts? Efficiency. How fast are stock and debtors moving? Solvency. Can it handle long-term debt? Always compare with the previous year. Up or down, good or bad, and why? Corporate governance means running a company responsibly and ethically. The King 4 principles are your guide: accountability, transparency, fairness, responsibility. The auditor's role: stay independent, verify facts, and build trust in the company's reports. Ethics protect both investors and the public, so always act with integrity. Before we wrap up, here are your exam hacks. Show all workings. Method marks matter. Use 1 decimal point for ratios. Learn what each indicator means, not just the formula. Write neatly. Presentation earns trust. Compare this year with last year. That's interpretation gold. Remember, accounting isn't just numbers. It's the language of business. Keep practicing and you'll start thinking like an accountant. And that's your full accounting paper, 1 revision wrapped up. Watch this again before your exam and check the description for your free financial indicator sheet and past paper playlist. Subscribe to Baobab Brain for daily revision hacks and drop a comment with your next topic. You're doing amazing. Every study session brings you closer to success. From Baobab Brain, good luck, class of 2025. You've got this.